At Verisk, we help the insurance ecosystem move faster with confidence by combining deep domain expertise, trusted data, and purpose-built workflows to deliver outcomes insurers and restoration professionals can rely on. One such example is in the property restoration area, where Verisk has solutions that aid carriers, loss adjusters, and contractors to efficiently and accurately serve property owners. In property restoration, speed matters, but not at the expense of accuracy and consistency. That's why we are excited to bring XactRestore into Claude. Built for claims restoration, this connector helps users create and refine estimates using natural language. To get started, I open Claude and select the XactRestore connector. Then sign in with my Verisk credentials. With the connector active, I can create projects and rooms, search Verisk price lists and templates, and translate what I say into structured estimating actions inside XactRestore. In this scenario, we're doing a rebuild after a kitchen water loss. Instead of manually searching or building the estimate line by line, I simply describe what I need. Create a full kitchen rebuild estimate after water damage with standard, high, and premium options. Claude, using our pricing and materials data, creates a project, adds the kitchen, and searches for the right cabinetry, drywall, and flooring quantities. To refine the estimate, I start by adding the kitchen dimensions and ceiling height. Claude then begins adding line items in XactRestore. Claude can then ask which material tier to use for the estimate. After the material tier is selected, Claude updates the estimate. Instead of deleting and rebuilding line items manually, I can simply describe changes. What might it cost to add a pot filler behind their stovetop? Once Claude finds the options, I can decide which one I want to add to the estimate and tell it, let's use the high tier and add it. Claude updates the estimate list and adds the high-grade pot filler to the estimate. The benefits to the insurance industry are significant. Newer users who may not know the full price list can experience meaningful gains. By replacing manual code lookups and rebuilds with natural language outputs, the estimator can accelerate time to full productivity for new estimators by days or even weeks. This also helps experienced estimators move faster, and the time savings can be meaningful. Across broader workflows, our internal testing estimates that time savings can range from 30 minutes to 2 hours, translating into tens of thousands of dollars in labor efficiency savings for contractors. The benefits extend beyond the contractor. Faster, more accurate estimates compress the end-to-end claim cycle, reducing adjuster touch time and accelerating cycle to close for carriers. That not only strengthens the contractor's value proposition, but also improves carrier satisfaction and could unlock hundreds of millions of dollars in efficiency gains for carriers. In summary, the Verisk XactRestore connector shows what's possible when Claude is paired with trusted data and property estimating workflows,